Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you a really quick way to draw a mug or a teacup or a coffee cup. So you just start with this T shape. You got your top and your bottom. That line in the middle kind of keeps you like the spine, gives you the spine of the cup. Then you have that bottom part, that's the base. Then you just have this curved line almost like the letter C. Then there's another curved line almost like a reverse C. Another reverse letter C. Third reverse letter C. And then you refine these edges to make them more elegant and more beautiful. You curve that top because you know the cup is not actually a squared off thing, rounded off at the top. Then you draw some areas where your light will be. This goes back to our value practice at the beginning of the year. Or if you've watched my previous videos, you'll see the value lesson. So we'll kind of go down here and add value number 4. Then use the blender, smooth that bad boy out. So it goes from 4, transitions from 4 to 3 to 2. You want to make those lines disappear where it transitions, and you also want to make the lines disappear where you have your areas of light. Remember, you draw those in just to kind of give you an idea of where that light will be reflected. And then you do a little value on the handle. I just kept this loose and expressive and fun because of the assignment we're doing. I want everyone to work loose. So it makes sense, but it doesn't always have to make sense. Your light can just be anywhere if you want it to be. And I found that will enhance your artwork sometimes if you just kind of play around with things that are realistic and unrealistic. And then of course you put the shadow down. So for this tutorial, I just want to show you how it looks with the shadow down, kind of give you a sense of 3D. Now I'm just going to make a second mug real quick so you can see what I'm going to do for the final part. So on this third mug, I want to give it a little more personality. I planned ahead so you will see some of the coffee on the inside that's drawn up, but then you will see some of the coffee on the inside that's actual coffee whenever we have the finished product. And just like magic, all 3 cups have been cut out and placed on the table. Find the placement that you want these cups to be in and then tape them down. I have these bad boys elevated, and then I get a little expressive and creative with the background that I make. Splatter paint, then I brush paint down, and I also just drip paint on the paper, and I also use a salt resist to kind of give it a bumpy type of texture. But as you can see now you have the coffee that's being painted down onto the paper and onto the cups. So the coffee is going to spill from the top cup, the first one I drew, down to the second cup, and then it will end up into the third coffee cup, where it will overflow and spill onto the table. So keep this thing really loose and expressive, be really free. As I was working, I was just figuring stuff out. So have yourself some fun. This is a coffee assignment. Just different ways to be creative, different ways to take common household items and mix it with stuff we use in our art studio. Just make some artwork, have some fun. Enjoy.